Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been almost 2 weeks since I put out a new video. I hope you guys have missed me because I have missed you guys too. In today's episode, I will be unboxing and setting up my brand new electrical height adjustable desk, and at the end of the video I will be doing a quick review on the desk for you guys. So if you are in the market for a new table for your home office or for your studio, then I think this video is going to be very beneficial for you. And if you're just looking around and you haven't made a decision yet, then you definitely want to watch this video because it's going to give you great ideas. Hey, so before I jump into the video, I wanted to take a moment to give a shout out to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for watching my video and giving me all that feedback and, you know, smashing the like button. I definitely appreciate you guys. So if you are new here, welcome. This is Sew Amazing Lifestyle, and I bring you great content on sewing, home improvement, DIY, and general lifestyle. So definitely consider subscribing and being a part of this family. So you guys, a couple of weeks ago, I was working on one of my videos, and I spent a couple of hours working on the video, and I was working on my laptop. My laptop is really a small one, the 13 inches laptop. And you know, I spent a lot of hours during the weekend just hunching over and working on my laptop, and I got all sorts of back pain, neck pain. I had to get massages. I even had to take pain medication, and that was just one day. So imagine what working at our computers every day can really bring to us, right? It affects health, and it starts to affect your productivity. So after that, I decided to go shopping for a desk so I can set up a proper workstation in my studio, because I definitely did not want to hurt my health, and I definitely wanted to improve my productivity. And also I just want it to be cool. Yeah, that's one of the reasons. Anyway, so I went shopping and I found this UNICOO height adjustable desk. And so in today's episode, I will be unboxing, setting up, and doing a quick review of this table, letting you guys know how I Inside of the packaging, you will find the installation manual. Make sure that you take stock of all of the components and the screws to make sure that you have everything complete before you start the installation procedure. The motor and motor bar come pre-installed, so attach that to the A column, and that's the column with the pins. The drive rod is critical for the table to function properly, so you need to be careful when you're installing the drive rod. The side of the drive rod that has the O-ring goes into the column B away from where the motor is, and make sure that when you install that, the O-ring is properly fitted inside of the column. And then using the black rotating thing, you tighten until it is firm. When installing the controller, make sure that the plug side, the one with the white, is pointing towards the motor, so it's easier to connect the controller to the motor. And the power cord side is pointing to your right towards column B. And then using your screwdriver or your drill, screw it down to the table securely. For this, you'll be using the screw G. You would use 2 for the controller and 2 for the hand panel. Set the hand panel down as shown and secure it with the G screw. Connect all of the wires and voila! We're all done setting up. It's time to carry up the table and set it where we want it to be. Connect the cable to power supply and your table should be functioning properly. For the memory setting, move the table to your desired height, hit the S button, and then hit the location where you want to save that setting. And that's it. There you go, guys. That is the complete setup for the UNICOO electrical height adjustable desk. Let's get into the review. Packaging. So in terms of packaging, I thought that the packaging overall was great. Amazon really does a great job of, packaging and delivering all these items. It was intact, it was neat, there wasn't anything, horrible about it. In terms of weight, my studio is on the second floor of my house, the first floor being the ground floor. I couldn't lift it up, I couldn't bring it up myself, so I needed to get my husband's help to bring it up. But once I had it laid out, it was really easy for me to get everything out of the package and to set it up. So the entire setting up of the table took about an hour and a half. I think that it would have been a little bit easier than that or faster if I wasn't trying to film it. So the instruction, I would say in general, was easy to follow. There were I feel like they could have done a better job of explaining some of the steps, but at the end of the day, with some common sense, you would be able to get through the instruction and be able to put the table together. So the table comes in a variety of colors. I chose the white color with the white stands because it went very well with the sewing table that I already have, which I got from IKEA, and it's also a white tabletop and a white stand. So the size of the table that is quoted in the package was about 46 and an 8 by 23.6. I actually measured the table after I set it up and it was true to size. It was exactly the size that was quoted on the specification. So they did a really good job on that. In terms of the height, I also measured that. It was about 30.5 inches at the lowest level to about 40 48 inches on the highest level, and that's what you read on the dial. But when I measured it, the actual maximum height was 47.5. Ergo is the biggest reason that I went for a height adjustable desk. And in terms of that, I would say that they did a really good job. Like I mentioned, the lower level and the higher level, you know, are really good, which makes it versatile enough for, you know, anyone in my household to use, and for me to definitely work sitting or standing up. So in terms of quality, I would say that this table is fit for purpose. It is made from MDF wood, and I knew that before I bought the table, so I wasn't expecting a hardwood table. If you wanted a hardwood table, you would need to potentially spend a little bit more. So in terms of the quality, it's made from MDF. It feels sturdy enough for what I want to do. Yeah, what I'm using it for, which is just a place where I put all of my work stuff, like my my monitor and in my computer. I will not be jumping on the table. Even though it feels like you can climb it, right, and do something, but I would not be jumping on the table. So for what I need the table for, I think it's sturdy enough. I'm actually quite impressed with the table. I think they did a good job on this one. And for the price, which is $299, I think it's a pretty okay table. The control. Right, so this table has a 7-button control, and it has 4 memory settings. And honestly, that's more than I can say for even some expensive brands that just have, you know, an up arrow and a down arrow. So in summary, I think it is a budget table. I think it is a good quality table. I think it's very eco-friendly. I feel like everybody should consider having a height adjustable desk. Because studies have shown that most people sit at their desks for over 6 hours a day, and just imagine the impact of that on health, right? And so if you are in the market for a table, or you're considering replacing your table, or you know, buying a new one for your studio or for your workspace, whatever workspace that is, I think that you should definitely consider a height adjustable desk. And if you are searching for a height adjustable desk, I would say that the UNICOO one that I just showed really rises up to the level that, you know, should be considered. Hey guys, so if you're interested in checking out this table, I will be leaving the Amazon link to this table in the description box below. Let me know if what you guys think about this table. Let me know if you're in the market for a table, and let me know if you're, you know, considering getting a height adjustable table, or if you kind of have like a counter argument for why you may think it's not a great idea, right? We all learn every day. So definitely engage and let me know what you guys think. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this, support me, subscribe, share, like. What's the other thing? Oh yeah, and hit that notification bell so you know whenever I put out a new content. Until then, I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me, and see you on the next video.